channel. It is your girl Naturally Netta, better known as Shanetta, and in today's video I will be showing you guys this really cute simple makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so let's jump right into the video. As you guys can see, my eyebrows are already done. Next I'm going to take this Milk of Magnesia and I'm going to use this as a primer. I'm just going to put this all over my face in small amounts. This just helps your makeup last and gives you a flawless finish. I'm going to go in with this Morphe palette. This is the M350 palette. And I'm going to use one eyeshadow, and I believe I'll use this eyeshadow. This shade right here. You guys can see, oh sorry. This shade right here. That's the shade I'm going to use for my crease and my lid. So then I'm going to take my Morphe M532 brush. And I'm just going to apply this to my crease. Okay. Apply it to the other crease. Okay, then I'm gonna just take my Morphe. This is a E14 brush. Take that same eyeshadow color and just pack it on my lid. Then I'm going to go back in with the same Morphe brush that I used, and I'll just blend out any harsh lines or anything. I'm going for a real easy look. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to take my black Opal foundation. This is in the color, I believe, Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just gonna dab this on my face. And you have to be careful because this will just come out, so be real careful. I'll use the Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'll use this to blend out my foundation. Just press this into the skin. You can add a little more foundation if you want. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, and because I'm going for a real settled look, I'm going to take my This is a Morphe concealer, and this is the number C4.38. And I'm gonna use this. It's really close to my skin tone. And I'm gonna use this to highlight. I'm going for a real easy, simple look. Take my beauty blender. Okay, once that is all blended out, I'm gonna go back in with my same foundation brush and just blend out any harsh lines. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Need to put this in a ponytail. So once I feel like everything is blended out, I'm gonna take my banana setting powder, and I'm gonna just put this under my eye to set the concealer. While this concealer is setting, I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix in NW45, and I'm gonna take the same foundation brush that I use and just kind of set my entire face. I'm gonna take my Morphe Bronztour. This is in the shade Showmance. And then I'm gonna take my Morphe M532 brush, and I'm going to contour my face, or just chisel my cheeks rather. Ooh, come through. And bake again. And then I'm gonna take the same bronzer, and I'll just go over my nose. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this black Opal in medium, and I'm gonna use that to set under my contour. Okay, so I went ahead and did my lashes off camera. I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm going to dust all this powder away. Then once that's all gone, I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu. I'm just gonna spray this just to get rid of the ash. Next, I'm gonna take this City Color Glam Squad. I got this at like a store here in Detroit. I have no idea where I get this from, but this is a blush. And I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Fluffy brush and I'm gonna use this as my blush. And then next, I'm gonna take the Maybelline New York Master Chrome. I'm going to use this as my highlighter. Pretty. Okay, next I'm gonna just take a regular brown lip liner and line my lips. I can't hold it inside. I can't wait. Baby, how you make me feel when you come to mind. I can't keep my cool, baby. I can't hold it inside. I can't wait each day just to see you. And then I'm going to take this NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Madeline. And I'm going to take my Morphe setting spray and I'm just going to spray and set my face again. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. This is my hair. This is my makeup. I was super nervous to record this video, so I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. After you subscribe, y'all hit the bell right next to the subscription button. Also, guys, make sure that you leave comments and let me know what else you guys would like to see next. I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, I am covering my hair for 30 days. So I'll be wearing wigs. I did install this wig myself. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial on that. But yeah, if God's willing, I will see you in my next video.